Hello, yeah, how's it been, Gilbert? I need to just see this thing. How big is it? Okay, that's enough. Also, you don't need to see all of that. So now it can even be more bigger. And also, just in case, it's slightly zoomed in. There. Right, speedrunning, making a game. Asset, object. You first employ, just call it O player. And tile. Shit. Sprite. You don't make a tile set. You can, I guess, but I'm not gonna show you how to do that. Player. Edit the image. Pink. Why not? And here, say, like dots. Kind of show the direction, I guess. So here we can see we can make an like a shape, and here we can go to the eyeball that is looking in this direction. And now, step events, HTML code, if keyboard check underscore pressed or W, this checks for if you click W, or this because it's also like it's not like I don't know why they use or. I'm not too smart at it, but it doesn't matter if keyboard check pressed, because if you click VK up, because they're like letters, I think these are letters, but these are actually buttons that they don't just have. I don't really know. It's basically if you do click on this button, uh, X plus plus. There you go. That's pretty easy. Now if you open the room, which is where you'll have your game. Shit, the player. You cannot see the player now. So let's just give it a spray. Here you have to also make the change the room size. I'll just make it like 300 by 300, and we have to drag him over there. I mean, it's going upward, so I have to like see it. And I just realized that it doesn't check for direct. Pressed only checks if you pressed it, but direct checks if you hold it. It's pretty simple. And also it's X, not Y. And also you wanna minus it. It's easier just to do equals Y minus like whatever you want. So now you can select it more. Because now if you hold it, okay, that's really fast too. And if you see now, it's decent. And also it's negative, yeah, it's kind of confusing, but you get it. And then it's S. Also, you don't need to do the VK down. It's just so that it checks for or W or up. If you click the arrow keys, it's arrow keys by the way. If you didn't know. Like this, it moves up and down. Wait, you cannot even see it? Are you kidding me right now? Oh my god, I'm so bad at this gaming stuff. Okay, I need to open it first, really quickly. Yeah, I apologize for this. I'm kinda stupid at making games. What the hell, where is it? Made with that doesn't help. Huh? Wait. If I open it. There you go. Why does OBS just work like that? Anyway, I can see the game. Open it. And also there were some more arrow keys. Oh, that's a unintentional nice feature. If you click both, you stop. Look, I'm clicking it. Because it adds, because it removes 2, but then it also adds 2, so it becomes 0. That's really nice. Okay. So now all you gotta do is just copy. God damn it. Shit. Aha. Making it so hard. With a limit. I think you'll get the idea of Gimno do this. Also, if you don't know, like, left, yeah, correct. If you don't know, these are variables. The variable, the location is the variable. It's a built-in variable. You can see if I write it, built-in variable. Yeah, and also if you didn't know, A means negative as well. So you don't have to remember D, because then you can just remember its opposite, and you'll always remember the opposite of D. If you at least use WASD. Now it works. You have a player, but you wanted to collide the room. So all you gotta do is you make a new object. You can make it here as well. Also, you can also drag them into the folders, but you don't have to do that. Wall. Then you create new. And now we open this. And S wall. We need to give it a color. Right, it's top left, middle, center. That's a really good thing to do when you make games. And also in the room, they will change their location. So you see, remember where it is? 1, 2, 3, like 3 like tiles. If we make it top left, you can see now it's 2 tiles, so it moves slightly. It's a very little, but sometimes that might get annoying, so you have to check in the room before you actually play the game. Oh god, this is becoming as well. Did I save it? What? There it is. What is going on? Collision mask. Anyway, yeah, collision mask. Want to be the. I don't get it though. Why isn't it not showing up? Oh, there you go. Okay, solid. You have to make it solid. It basically just makes solid. That's pretty obvious. Now, all you do is you put a big if statement all around this. Place. Actually, no. You would want to do it in each separate one of these. Yeah, this is becoming a lot. And so, yeah. Anyway, yep, you just do this. Pretty simple. And place free. It checks if the place is free. So here we have to check if place free x and y -2, and then wall. What? Huh? Wait. How does place free work? Place free x and y. Oh. Oh, that's another thing in gamemaker that has to work like that. Okay. Yeah, you just copy paste it all over. Since this is like a speed run of making a game with collision and movement. Okay, here you can see the place free. Now all you'll do is change it. You can look here if you forgot how it works. It's plus here. So if you check, you basically check if the location the character is walking to is has an object in it, and if it's free, if it's no object, that means it works. And here we have to actually move it to here. The same thing with here, just here we have to make it plus and move it all the way over there. Yep. It's been almost 10 minutes, so I have to be quick. And on the wall, we can just put the wall in. And you don't want to put S wall, that's the sprite, but the object has the variables and stuff, so this one will work if we just drag it. Control C, Control V. Okay, that doesn't work that well. Control C, Control V, there you go. Also, if you're on Mac, it's just Command. It's just Command, I think. And like whatever you use for copy and pasting stuff. There we go. Open the game. Hope OBS can see it, and I think this should work now. Look, I'm clicking it, but it's colliding. Yes! Okay, we want to do something else though. I want to show you guys something really quick. If you remove solid from the player, I think will still work, right? Yeah, okay, it's still working. Oh my god, collision is so easy. I didn't even know that was so easy. Okay, so solid, whatever it's checking for has to not be solid. That's how it works. So now, yeah, you can see we can walk through it, and also it works also with arrow keys. So that means game of collision and movements took just 12 minutes. It's not that good, but it works. Also remember, make it solid. And also the wall doesn't need code. It's only this, and this is all the code you need. And if you don't want to, I'll just paste this in the description. Don't need that means you don't have to code anything. Also, I guess I can say // movement negative y equals up, and we can just add this everything. Movement plus y equals down, just so you can kind of get it. A place free means it checks if the place is free, but it's checking for solid objects with solid on them. And yeah, also if you made the room tiny, but you want to make the room big, you just go to viewports. Actually, you cannot see this. Here you can see viewports, visible, and enable viewports. This is just to make the room bigger or something. I don't know. So yeah, you see now it's way bigger. Now you can see more of the game. Just because when with the viewport, you can change the properties in the viewport, whatever you want. That's it for this video. This is actually really nice. I can make a full tutorial in just this amount of time. And yeah, you can modify the viewports. Camera is how much camera can see. Viewport properties is how big you're making it, so you can make it like 2 times bigger. So let's say the game view is 16 by 16 pixels, then you can make it look like 256 by 256 pixels, like when you're opening it. So you can enlarge it since the pixels might look real tiny, 16 by 16. So that's why you can make it bigger. That's what viewports are for. Also, you have to make it visible. You have to make it visible right here, and you have to enable viewports. And you have to click on the viewport and do everything that I think you have to put visible on viewport 0 just so you select which viewport you want enabled, so you don't enable every viewport. But yeah, that's the whole tutorial. Code will down below. With comments is // the / thing. It means it's not code, but it's just comment, so it says what the code does. It's like help see a bit. But bye.